Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to show you guys this squishies that I bought from a store. And my mom actually bought it for me, so I don't know what this squishy is. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, this. So first I have this one, and I already opened this one. This one, it's the donut one. So slow. I'm just going to from okay, so this I really like the texture. It's so slow. Sorry, that's my phone. It's sticky. Oh my god, it's sticky. Wait, I'm going to. Okay, so this is a medium emoticon donut. It's so slow, so soft, and so slow. So I like it. So this is soft, super duper soft, and it's so slow. It's so cute. This is the medium one. And it smells original. I don't know how it smells like. And this is the first one. Okay, and then I have this thing. I don't know what this is. Sorry about that sound. Sorry about that sound. It's my brother. Oh my god. Okay. So I have this one. It's not that slow. I'm just going to open it. Okay. I don't know what is this like. No. I really like the smell, but I don't. It smells like. Wait. No. Wait. Sorry about that. So it's this. It's not that slow, and I don't even know what this is. It's like bread, but I don't know what kind of bread. It's not that slow. Like it smells like the orange, like yeah, the green orange, the one that's very like I don't know how to say. So yeah, and then which one should I do first? I'm gonna do this one. So I have this jumbo milk butter one, and it's sorry about that. Yes. Sorry about that. That's just my new glasses. Yeah, so this is the jumbo milk butter. not that slow, but really like it. I really like all of it. But I really like it because the color's so good, and but there are cracks and defects, but it's okay. Oh my god. So yeah. I don't want to pull it because it will rip. Okay, so it smells weird. Yeah. But then there's defects, and there's the sides. Is it? Oh yeah. And then there's this, like that thing. And yeah, those are defects and cracks. So yeah, it smells like vanilla. I really like the color. It's like orange, and yeah, I really like the orange color. It's a little bit, and it's jumbo, but it's not that slow, and there are defects and cracks as you can see that time. So, yeah, show you guys the slowness of this squishy. It's not that slow. So not the slowness, the fastness. Like, yeah, I still really love it. So and then this is the last, but not least. So it's this one. It's out of the plastic. With the plastic. Careful. Okay. It smells so good. Like real bread. Oh my god, I feel like I want to eat a loaf. It just smells so good. So yeah, I don't know what's the name of this character, and I really think this is famous. So yeah, this is the medium, like loaf or something. I don't know. It's the medium loaf, not the jumbo one. I think, I don't know, because I don't even know how big is the jumbo one. I think this one's the mini one or the medium one. I don't even know. It's that slow. It's so cute. Oh my god, what was that? Chocolate. So that's how it looks. There's no cracks or defects. This is the back part. This is the slowness. So yeah. So and for the last I have this mochi one. It's the chocolate one. But it doesn't smell like chocolate. I don't really like the smell, but yeah, it's not a squishy, but it's a squish toy. But I still wanna show it to you guys. So yeah, it's stretchy and like it's like mushrooms. It's stretchy. This back part, there's like like that thing. I don't know what's it. And we can do like this. It's real fun to play. So by the way guys, I am going to do like a squishy tech video. So next time. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll not miss one of my video. So yeah, good. This can, so I already know what the inside is, so I'll tell you guys. I don't want to cut this. Oh my god. So the inside is blue, white glue, because my friend did a video on this, but I don't even know what her YouTube channel. I forgot, because I rarely watch her YouTube channel. I think it's, oh my god, I forgot. I don't even know. Okay, it's real fun to play. Okay, so these are all of them. So well guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.